It's BOGO time, and I want to make sure you understand how this one's working. If you are brand new, like you're not a member of doTERRA, just so you know, every once in a while they will do a buy one, get one free, where you can purchase an oil and you get one for free. And then they've come up with these BOGO boxes because they did it for a week. So each day there was a new one. They decided to put all of the BOGOs in one box. So if you just at the beginning of the week want to purchase everything, then you get a special deal and you get a free oil. It's Citrus Bloom. I don't know what, there we go, Citrus Bloom. And this you only get if you purchase the BOGO box. And why I love BOGO time is this gives me an opportunity to stock up on oils that I'm using anyway, so I can get them either for free or it just seems like it's 50% off. Also, it gives me an opportunity to try new oils or for people to try new oils that maybe they haven't, and then you see how well they work for different things. This time you will be purchasing 5 oils. Let me see if I can lift these all up at the same time. Maybe I can't. Come on, it's a lot. This is it. You will be purchasing, sorry it's blurry, 5 and you get 8 for free. So let me go through quickly what they are and I will list them below. So you'll get the Citrus Bloom in the box, you get the Air X, you get Balance, you get the Adaptiv Capsules. Oh, why are you so fuzzy? There we go. Capsules, you get Serenity, the Breathe Touch, On Guard Touch, Peppermint Touch. Beautiful, which you can't usually get. Beautiful, I love that oil. Lemon, Lavender, Oregano, and Tea Tree. So all of those will come in the box. You'll be saving over $200 off the retail price. So for those who are not members of doTERRA, this is a great opportunity to enroll. doTERRA is waiving the $35 membership fee, so your membership is free. Also, your shipping will be free. So anything over 100 PV for you will be free. Also, they have another promotion for people who are newly enrolling that if they purchase 150 PV, so this is just 13 PV short. So if you add on an inexpensive item, that you will also get Deep Blue and Deep Blue Rub free. I mean, that is like 15 oils. You're paying for 5 and you're getting total of 15. That's awesome. Totally awesome. So that's for if you are not a member of doTERRA yet, you can reach out to me or the person who is supporting you with oils and they can help you to get started with these. For those who are members of doTERRA, how you are also going to save is that if you are ordering this on the Loyalty Rewards program, you will also be getting between 10 to 30% back in product points. So you can redeem those later for whatever. And you will also be getting free shipping. So your shipping is free. You'll get the 10 to 30% in product points. So that's the bonus for you on this. This is a really big deal. So this is the BOGO box. Now you can purchase this starting on the 16th and it will go till the 22nd or until they're out of stock. They usually sell out. So I recommend if you're wanting to get this to go ahead and purchase this today and get that in the mail to you. Now, on Thursday, on the 17th, they will announce all of the BOGO matchups. So, for instance, if you buy Air X, you will get Balance free. We don't know what those are yet. We'll know on the 17th how they match up. And on the 17th, all of the BOGOs will be available for purchase individually. So if you got the box and you wanted to stock up more, say, for instance, you use a lot of lavender, you could do the lavender BOGO, right? So you'd get, I don't know if it's buy lavender and get something else free, or if you're purchasing an oil and getting lavender free, but then you can go ahead and do those individual ones if you want. Or if you didn't buy the BOGO box, then on the 17th, you can see what the matchups are and then just purchase whichever ones you want, all on one day. So in the past, those single purchases, they would announce one individually every single day, and then you had to like pay for shipping and then do the next day, and it was kind of annoying, right? So they've changed that, so they'll all be available on the 17th, and you can figure out which ones that you want. And there will be a limited supply, so it is best to just go in and purchase the ones that you want right off. Another thing that you can do is, if you're a member and you have friends who don't have membership with doTERRA, you can either, one, help them to get started because they can get their own kit. You can either help them to enroll, or you can reach out to me and I can help them to enroll, or whoever is supporting you in oils, they can help them to enroll so that they can get their free membership, free shipping, get all of these deals just like that. And you will get a kickback from me or whoever is supporting you with oils. Or if you want, you can invite them to order with you. And if you do that LRP order, then you will also be getting additional points from their order. So you'll be getting free oils in the future for the products that they're purchasing through your account. So I hope this is super clear. If you have any questions about how the BOGO works, please reach out to me. Also, if you are not in our VIP group, we will be doing education on these oils as well as continuing education as we go along. It is a great place to receive support on how to use essential oils, how to replace toxic chemicals in your home with cleaners, skincare products, hair care products. Like, all around us are things that are probably damaging our health and we may not know it. So we support you on how to change those things out. If you have health concerns, whether physical or emotional, that you can ask your questions in there and we can help give support as to what you might want to try, what's been working for other people. And we have a lot of fun giveaways and stuff. So if you aren't in that group, it is by invitation only, so you have to receive an invitation from me or somebody who is already in the group in order to be able to join. You can't actually search it on Facebook and find it. So make sure that you're in that group because we have a lot of fun going on. We were already doing March Madness if you haven't joined in that, and now we're adding BOGOs and then the education on all of these products in there. You will also receive a free ebook, BOGO ebook, which will give you some great recipes, diffuser blends, roller bottle remedies, just how you can effectively use these in your home. So hope that's all clear. Have an awesome day.